Hi, this is Ed Hefner for the Camping Companion Complete. We now have another accessory. It's actually for your smartphone. Right now, if you will observe, we are about 50% charged on this phone. Here's a Camping Companion Complete. Here's what it looks like on the back side. Basically what we've got is our attraction and action system built into the case that houses the phone. And what that's going to do for us is charge the phone. I want you to look very carefully. We're going to attach. You'll notice it's charging. And that's it. Another Attraction and Action family of products. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a good day.